two Italians and two Britons in this final, and a Dane in lane number 4. She was 2:08.48 in the semi-final. The kid's 2:08.9, and Lauren Stevens 2:09.25. But a very fast start by Lana Pudar. She wants to take this out. So let's see whether she can hold on for the duration. She'll be our leader at 50. Second is McInnes and Custonato. They'll all have a slightly different way of attacking this race. Well, Pudar is attacking the race, that is for certain. She's going to go all out and see whether there's enough left in the tank. It's a big lead. Well, look at the splits when she comes through. And she's going to have a good, well, I think the others are all looking and going, are you crazy? Are you mad? Going like this, but she might well be right. Custonato in second, back in third. Now, I don't believe Pudar's going to be able to hold on to this, but let's see. If she does, it's a cracking swim. And everybody in Bosnia and Herzegovina will go, yes, you can do this. But she's going to tie up surely over the last 50. She is going really full out here, and they're catching her, as we thought would probably be the case. Pudar in 2, back is coming through. Cusinato's coming through in 6. She's still holding on, but that lead is slender. 0.82 won't be enough to hold on at the moment. She is still finding something. This will be an amazing way to swim this race if she can hold on. It is Pudar. Who's coming back? Bach is coming back. Custonato in second place. Finishing strongly is Laura Stevens in lane number 3. Do you know what? She is going to hold on to this. This is a remarkable way to swim the 200 fly. If she can hold on for 5 more meters, she is the European champion. Oh, what a